page was blank, but not your eyes. They held a sea of soft goodbyes. You tried to write, but paused instead, afraid to bleed the words you said. I found it folded in your drawer, an envelope, but nothing more. A stamp, a name, no ink, no tears, just silence pressed by passing years. The note you never sent still stings like wedding bells with broken rings. You wrote me love without the lines, and left me wondering every time, was it a truth you couldn't say? A feeling lost along the way. I read your silence once again, and wish you'd signed it till the end. Sometimes what's unsaid hurts more than all the ink that came before. You always look your best at 5, when daylight leaned and love felt left. The golden light upon your face turned every room to sacred space. We'd sit and talk about the stars as sunbeams kissed your faded scarf. The world slowed down, the moments wait, like even time would choose to stay. Golden light at 5 p.m., where all my love belongs to them. A daily gift, a soft refrain that sings of you and home again. Now when that hour drapes the room, I still recall your every bloom. Though you have gone, that glow remains, and I still breathe your golden name. always walked a little fast, as if escaping from the past. I kept your pace but stayed unseen, a quiet part of every scene. I knew the shape of your retreat, the echo of your fading feet. You never turned to meet my gaze, but I followed through your winding maze. I was one step behind, never too far, trailing your shadow like a star. Chased the world, I chased your name, hoping one day you'd do the same. But some hearts run while some remain, and mine still waits beneath